millions of cars in the world needs? A car maintenance, special car service, and of course, a car and motorcycle repair. But the question is, where can I find an auto repair shop around me? Can I trust an auto repair shop? How much will it cost to repair my car? Introducing Becarman, where local shops are listed and can be viewed, ordered from nearest to furthest of your location. Feedback reviews are given to establish trustworthy auto repair shops. Customers can also search for discount events of a car shop or request for a quote for repair costs. Available on Google Play and App Store. Get in now. Leave your car worries to us and enjoy the ride.